Service, sales, marketing. AI agents could do everything for you. You just have to figure out which one you want to use, and Agentforce will help you build a personalized agent that checks all the boxes. Watch this video till the end to know about these AI agents. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. And today I will introduce the different types of agents available in Agentforce and how you can use them depending on your business needs. Before we dive into the types, you need to know about Agentforce. So here is a little recap. Agentforce is a platform by Salesforce where you can build and deploy AI-powered agents, whether it's for sales, service, or internal employee help. You can check out my previous video where I've covered Agentforce in detail. Now let's quickly take a look at how you can set up Agentforce in your org. It's actually super simple. You just have to go to setup in your Salesforce org and search for Einstein setup in the quick find box. Turn on the toggle and refresh your browser to make sure it is on. Now go back to the setup and quick find and search for Agentforce agents. Click the Agentforce toggle and ensure it is set to on. Now you can explore and build different types of agents. Each agent type in Agentforce serves a unique purpose. Let's talk about them one by one. On number 1, we have default agent. When you're just getting started with Agentforce, this is the template Salesforce gives you to complete key business tasks within Salesforce. It is specifically designed for internal support for the employees in an organization. Think of it like your smart HR or IT help desk which answers your everyday queries like how many sick leaves do I have? Or how do I reset my password? The agent answers these questions through the data present in its database, all without human intervention. You can customize it later to turn it into one of the specialized types, which we'll talk about in a while. Number 2 is agent for setup. This is again a basic agent which is useful for admins in Salesforce. It helps with everyday administrative tasks or find answers for you in the org. Next up, on number 3, we have service agent. This is your go-to for customer support agent, which is like a digital service representative that helps customers find solutions, raise tickets, or troubleshoot. For example, if a customer asks about their order delay, service agent can pull up order details and even offer a resolution automatically. Number 4, service assistant. This one supports the human agents in real time by giving them suggestions, summaries, or next best actions during live support. While the service agent is customer facing, the service assistant is for internal use. For example, you're a support rep and you're chatting with a customer. The service assistant will quietly suggest helpful knowledge articles or escalations in the background during your conversation without interrupting you at all. Next on number 5, we have sales coach. This agent is designed for sales representatives to give them guidance during the sales process. It gives you actionable feedback on your sales pitch or can help you prepare for a call with clients. It is useful for newer reps as it acts as a sales coach and trains them effectively. Last but not the least, on number 6, we have SDR, which is Sales Development Rep. This agent works like a digital pre-sales assistant and handles everything from lead qualification and initial outreach to follow-ups. Suppose you are out of office for a day, then the SDR agent can take over to send intro emails, collect basic info from prospects, and then assign them to any available sales rep if the prospect seems promising. So those were all the agent types in Agentforce that are currently live for general use. There are some more in the pipeline that Salesforce promises to release soon. But setting up these agents requires some permission, so you need to note this before you start using them. Such as the service agents and assistants usually require access to your case data and support flows. Sales agents like the sales coach or SDR usually need opportunity and lead access. Your admin will need to assign the right permissions and data access depending on what your agent is supposed to do. So to wrap up, there is an AI agent for every use case that you can think of. And you can always refine the pre-built templates with prompts or even call Apex classes to design the agent that fits your exact needs. I'll cover this in the next video, so stay tuned. Until then, you can check out some resources that I've linked in the description down below. And like to learn more about Agentforce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Liked what you saw? Well, there's a lot more, and I can send you a curated playlist of trending topics, Salesforce updates, and training essentials. Join our newsletter and get your weekly package of exclusive Salesforce content straight to your inbox. The link is in the description. Don't miss out.